Hi, another edition of your everyday web and software tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple users for your WordPress website. Now, maybe you have a website, but you want to give people different access levels so they can update maybe the images or the text on your website. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So without wasting time, let's jump right in. I have a website here and I'm at the back end, as you can see, a WordPress website. Now, if you want to create multiple users, all you need to do is come to the left hand side here and then look for users, click on users. Now, when it opens, it will list the number of people who have access to this website. Now, as you can see, I only have my name in here, my name, my username, that is the username I used to log in, and then the email address over here, and then the password. Of course, you can't see the password. So once you have it here, if I want to create another user, maybe I want somebody to be able to edit some of the content on the website. All you have to do is just come to users here, just click on add new. Now when you click on add new and then it loads up, you can now add another user. It will give you some fields to fill. I think my internet is slow a little today, just bear with me on that. So once it loads up, we can go ahead and fill the details of our user. So for username, we want to put in the name of the person, maybe Yadako. Now mind you, for the username, you don't have to put a space between the username. It has to be the first name and maybe the last name together, so be mindful of that. Now let's go to the email address. So let me put in my other email address in here. That first name, last name. Now the website, so you can put in the name of the website which you are creating a user for the person. So you can just come up here and just copy the website and just paste it in here. Now generate password. Normally WordPress would suggest a password or try to generate a password for you, but I would recommend you put in your own password, because as you can see, most of the time this password is something I wouldn't it's difficult to remember this password. But when the email is sent for the user that you are creating this account for, they have the option of resetting the password to something that they will remember. So you can either go with what WordPress has generated or go with something else. But in my case, I'll just delete this and then go with my own password. So I'll just try and type in a password. And whilst I'm doing that, WordPress would tell me whether my password is strong or is weak or is intermediary. So once that is done, make sure that this box is ticked so that the user will get a notification, an email that says that, hey, an account or a user role has been created for you from this particular website. Now, another important field that you should also note is the role option. So the role is the access level that you want to give this user. Do you want them to be the shop manager, manage customers for you? So whatever role that you choose in here will determine what the person will see or the options that will be available to this person when they log in with their details. But for this demonstration, let's go for editor and click on, once everything is, you are sure everything is okay, just click on add new. So when you click on add new, the user is now created for you, and this person is going to get an email in their account. So we'll quickly check my email and see if I did actually get an email and an email notification. Now sometimes these emails do go to spam, so if the person does not see it in their inbox, you'd want to notify them to also check their spam to see if they got any alerts in there. So as you can see, the email has been sent. When you click on it, it says username, your username, it shows the username here. It says to set your password, visit the following address. So this is where the person you created the account for can reset the password to what you actually to something that they will actually remember. So when you copy the whole of this and then open a new tab and paste it in here, it will load up, and this is where your new user can set their own password for the account. Now if you go back to our dashboard again, to the back end, you can see the new user we created is listed right in here. Now if they edit any post or any page, you see the count of posts or pages that they've edited on the right hand side over here. Now if you want to change the access level for this user, you can easily do that by clicking on the edit button. So maybe you want to change them from an editor to an administrator, you can easily do that by clicking on the edit. If you want to delete, if the account is no more needed or the person doesn't work for the company anymore, you can also delete their user role from here. You can view their account and then you can reset their password. So and we do forget password every time. So if your user, in case they forget their password, you can actually send them a reset link which they can use to reset their password. So this is how you create multiple users for your WordPress website with different access levels. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel. You can also hit the notification bell so that you are notified of the videos that I'll be uploading every week on website and tech tips. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.